How's it going, everyone? This is Takai, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I lit these two morning interior scenes in the short film La Llorona. The first setup that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is the scene where the wife gets a phone call about her husband passing away. And the lighting setup is actually extremely simple. All I did was place a Aperture 300D Mark II with a full CTO gel, CTO meaning color temperature orange, outside of the window and blasted it into the kitchen. The CTO gel gave the light a nice warm feeling that I was using to replicate sunlight. Shining it through the blinds gave me some nice shadows on the cabinets and also created a very nice backlight for our characters. And I also added a Nanlite Pavo tube set at 2700K and placed it on top of the cabinets and used it to add some fill light to the characters since I wanted to see their faces. The next setup I did was almost the same setup as the previous one. The same 300D is coming through the window and creating shadows from the blinds, and then I set up a Nanlite onto a C-stand and placed it above the talent's head to give them a hair light. And the key light on the little girl was actually a happy accident because I was pretty satisfied with the lighting already, but someone had opened up the door that was off to camera left and let in some light that I thought lit her face very beautifully. The only problem was that the light that was coming in was spilling more into the scene than I wanted it to. So I closed the door and I set up an Aperture 120D Mark II with a light dome and a grid. The grid is meant to center the light into a specific area so that it doesn't spill everywhere, and the end result gave me a very nice key light for the little girl. Later on, I realized when looking back on the footage that there was a reflection of the 120D on the microwave, so I pulled that shot into After Effects and removed it. If you want to check out another video that I've made explaining how to remove things in After Effects, check the link in the description below. So that's the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching the content, because out of the thousands of videos that you could be watching, you chose to watch this one, and I'm very, very grateful for it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more filmmaking content from me. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.